So today my grandfather is not feeling well, and the best recipe to make is the Ragi mart, or you can also call it Ragi porridge. To make him strengthen, this is the best recipe, and kids of my age and above can also try this. So let's get started. So the first step which you have to do is you need 1 tablespoon of Ragi. You have to specifically get Ragi porridge, and you have to pour it in. Then you have to add 1.5 cup of water and mix this mixture till then there are no lumps. Okay guys, now you can see that there are no lumps, and I'm going to set that aside and we are going to get to my stove. So now we are going to on the gas. So guys, I'm going to take my mom's help in this because we need help because that's fire and we should not take this. Okay, so now we are going to add again 1/2 cup of water. Okay, so this is saffron infused milk. I'm just going to mix the saffron infused milk. Now you can very well see the water has come to a boil. So now we are going to add Ragi water mixture. This is our Ragi water mixture, and we're just going to mix it a little so that the powder doesn't set at the bottom. So now we are going to add the Ragi infused water and you have to mix it. 5 minutes is going to get thickened, and after 9 minutes it's going to get glossy. So I'll meet you after it gets thickened. Hey guys, so now I'm going to add glossy mixture. Now I'm going to add stevia. I know why should we add stevia, because my grandfather is a diabetic person and he's suffering from diabetes, so I'm going to add stevia. But if you're not a diabetic person, you can add jaggery, or it's also called good in Hindi. So now we are going to add stevia in. Okay, so I've added the stevia in now, and now we are going to add some saffron infused milk. You can actually add cardamom after you add the milk. You can also add normal milk, or it's not necessary to add saffron. So let's bring it to smooth consistency now. You can see the ragi, it's nicely mixed in the milk and water, and you can see it does not stick to the sides and all. So now this is what the consistency my grandfather likes. So now I'm going to pour it in a bowl or glass, and we are going to take these strong thingies, I don't know what they are called. So let's add. Now we are going to add a spoon into this Ragi malt. So this is our spoon. And guys, I'm going to end this video right here. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Hope you like, share and subscribe this video.